everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we're going to be looking at a dash cam from KAWA. This is their model D8. With this dash cam, you can have real-time recording for while you're driving on the road at day and night. Due to its cutting-edge 4K technology as well as its 1080p dual recording technology, with its Sony Starvis 415 chip, you can see crisp and clear details for what's going on the road, so you're protected from any accidents. This device also has hands-free voice control and app control as well with its Wi-Fi technology. You can also connect it to all sorts of devices such as the Android phones and the iOS devices via its app. It also has enhanced night vision due to its Sony 415 Starvis chip and its 7-layer optical glass and an f1.8 aperture along with its 3D DNR technology. Other than that, we also have other features such as its 24-hour parking monitoring mode if you were to hardwire it. It also has emergency recording as well as loop recording. It has a built-in GPS and route tracking system and a G sensor as well. Now let's get started with the unboxing and see what it looks like. Inside the box, we have our KAWA main camera as well as a rear camera kit. We have attachment holders to connect it to the dashboard. We also have car chargers and some cords and a crowbar, some static films, as well as some tape right here. Alright, now we're going to get started with the installation. To get started with the installation, first of all, you need to install the electrostatic film to the windshield. Then use the sticky tape to attach the dash cam holder as well as the dash cam onto the windshield. You can use a cigarette charger to power the dash cam. With the other cord that is a micro USB to micro USB cord, you can attach the front camera to the back camera. Make sure that you have a micro SD card that you can use with the dash cam. You can control all its settings by using the buttons that are on the bottom of the dash cam. You can use the provided QR code to download the KAWA Auto app from the App Store or the Play Store. You can create a Wi-Fi hotspot connection with your cellular device by connecting it to the KAWA Auto dashcam. Make sure that the Wi-Fi's dashcam is turned on and the Wi-Fi setting is turned on as well. You can create a connection by going to your cell's Wi-Fi settings and connecting to KAWA_D8. You can use the app to control all the settings in the dashcam as well, but you cannot simultaneously control the app as well as the dashcam together. On the app, you have live video footage as well as quick access to your device's photo settings as well as a photo button. But do note that all the videos and images that you view on the app itself is going to be compressed and slightly lower in quality. To view all the videos in its original quality, you have to download them from your app, or you can use the micro SD card to download them to your device. On the settings tab, you can see an installation guide for the dashcam, mic recording control as well as voice control, screen time control, speaker volume control, recording time control, micro SD card management, more advanced settings, calibrating time and date formats, and more other settings as well. On the album settings, you can see all your video recordings, including your normal video recordings that I've set to 1 minute intervals. You can also see the video settings for emergency videos, parking monitoring videos, time-lapse videos, as well as photos that you've taken with the app. I did have some emergency videos on my folder, and that was not due to any accident, but because I turned on the windshield wiper, which created a emergency recording video. This was very nice to see because now I know that the emergency video settings are working and it's quite sensitive to different kinds of sounds, such as the windshield wiper as well. So in case of a collision, it's going to record emergency videos pretty easily. Overall, the video quality for the 4K recordings were really great. You were clearly able to see all sorts of road signs as well as license plates while you're on the go. Not only are the daytime images crisp and clear with the front camera, but nighttime images, due to its enhanced night vision with its Sony Starvis 415 chip, is also really great. Compared to other models out there in the market, the KAWA Dashcam's D8 model's enhanced night vision is really great. It is able to pull in all the light from its surroundings to create brighter and clearer images than other models. The 1080p rear view camera's recording quality is obviously not comparable to the 4K video quality for the frontal camera, but it is still able to clearly capture license plates and video images day and night. Overall, this is a great dash cam to get for comprehensive car protection. You're easily able to use the app to control images and download it while you're on the go. The 4K recording quality captures clear details, so you're protected from any accidents. The dashcam is also very temperature stable. You're not going to encounter any heating issues while you're using the device. The working temperature for the dashcam is from -4°F to 149°F. The storage temperature is from -22°F to 176°F. If you live in places where there's extreme temperature and weather fluctuations, you can easily be using this dash cam without having to worry about it not functioning. And that is it for our review. We hope you guys like this product. If you'd like to purchase it or learn more about this product, please go ahead and check out our description box below. Thank you all for watching.